Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. One of the goals of my YouTube channel is to provide you with tips and ideas how to make your home cooking more efficient and fun. When I first switched from a wok with non-stick coating to a carbon steel wok, I meticulously seasoned my wok. To test the new wok, I fried an egg in it, and I watched the egg glide freely across the surface of the wok. I said to myself, well, that is easy. Next day, I cooked with my new wok, and disaster struck. My new wok was so badly burned, I was too disheartened to clean it up. I bought another wok with non-stick coating. I have never been so discouraged before. So now I know that even a wok with natural surfaces has been well seasoned. It is not the same as a wok with non-stick coating. And over the years, I have learned how to use and maintain such a wok properly, and now I never have the same problem occur to me. In this video, I'm going to offer you 6 guidelines that I use to prevent food from burning to the bottom of my wok. First, start each session with spot seasoning to make sure the wok is properly seasoned. Even though the wok might look well seasoned, spot seasoning is like an insurance policy. If you are not familiar with my spot seasoning method, please see my video on it. Second, please be ready to add more oil if your food ingredient look dry in the wok. I have my oil in a squeezed bottle, so I'm always ready to add more oil to the wok if the food look dry in the bottom of the wok. Third, stir the food ingredient constantly in the wok to prevent them from being burned by sitting in one place. Increase the rate of stirring, particularly under high heat when the food looks like they are going to burn. Fourth, to become familiar with your stove so you can adjust the heat constantly when it's getting too hot. Turn the heat down if the food is getting burnt. You can always turn the heat back up when you need more. Fifth, use the wok spatula as a scraper to dislodge any food that might stuck to the bottom of the wok. A traditional stainless wok spatula work very well for this purpose. Please see my review on it. Six, avoid food with high moisture content, such as freshly cooked rice and noodles. They absorb oil rapidly and can get burned really quick. And by following these 6 guidelines, I have great success in avoiding food to be burned in the bottom of my wok. So let me summarize them. First, always spot season your wok in the beginning of a cooking session. Second, add more oil as needed during cooking. Third, to adjust the rate of stirring to prevent food from being burned. Fourth, to adjust the heat setting if food is being burned. Fifth, use the wok spatula as a scraper to dislodge food that stuck to the bottom of the wok. Sixth, avoid stir-frying food with high moisture content. However, occasionally I still end up food being burned in the bottom of the wok because I forget to follow these guidelines. However, don't worry. If you end up with a burned wok, in a different video, I will show you some easy ways to clean it up. When combining the way how I clean up my woks, I'm now able to have my wok ready to cook in pristine condition each single time. Thank you for watching. If you would like to receive notification of my new video posting, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a safe day, and I'll see you again soon.